Hey, welcome back to Brijesh Kapoor Finance, where we keep money simple and stress-free. Let me ask you something. Do you ever feel like you're always one paycheck away from being broke? Like your money runs out before the month ends? You're not alone. Millions of people feel the same. But what if I told you that you could break that cycle with one simple rule? It's called the 30-day buffer rule. And once you set it up, you'll never stress about money the same way again. In this video, I'll explain what it is, how it works, and exactly how you can build it, even if you are living paycheck to paycheck. So let's get into it. The 30-day buffer is simple. You save up enough money so that you're always living on last month's income, not this month's. In other words, the money you earn this month, you don't spend it, you save it totally. And next month, you live off of that, the money from last month. That way, you always stay one full month ahead of your bills. No more waiting for payday to pay rent. No more panic when an emergency pops up. No more zero balance anxiety. Now, this is the opposite of paycheck to paycheck living. This is peace of mind. Now, let me explain why this works. Most people are stuck in a loop. They get paid, they spend, and then they wait. Every month is a race to the finish line, and sometimes they don't make it. But when you build a 30-day buffer, you break that loop. You are no longer reacting, you're no longer chasing your bills, you are in control, always. This one change turns your budget from a game of survival into a system of calm. So how much do you need for a buffer? A 30-day buffer is equal to 1 month of expenses. If your monthly expenses are $2,500 a month, your buffer is $2,500. If your expenses are $4,000 a month, your buffer is $4,000. It's not based on your income. It's based on what you actually spend. Keep that in mind. Now you might be thinking, Brijesh, I can barely save $100 a month. How am I supposed to save $3,000? That's okay. The key is to build it slowly, step by step. Let me show you how. Step number 1, track your expenses. Figure out how much you really spend in a month. Use your banking app, a notebook, or something like a Mint or YNAB. Let's say it's $3,000 a month. That's your goal. Step number 2, open a separate account. Open a new high-interest savings account. Call it a 30-day buffer or a peace fund. This is where your buffer money will live. Step number 3, start small and be consistent. Even $50 a week adds up. $50 a week is equal to $200 a month. In 6 months, that's $1,200. In 15 months, that's $3,000, your full buffer. And guess what? If you get a tax refund, a side hustle income, or bonus, throw that in too. It speeds up the process. Once your buffer is ready, here's what you need to do. Your January income, save it. In February, use January's money to pay all your expenses. Then save Feb's income for March and so on. Every month, you are ahead by 30 days. It feels amazing. Your bills are paid on time. Unexpected expenses don't throw off your month. And you stop panicking every time your account hits $200. You're no longer broke because you're no longer living in the moment financially. You are living in the future. So one of my friends, Reena, started doing this when I discussed this rule with her. She's a single mom in her 30s and she was earning just under $3,000 a month. She was always stressed, always trying to stretch every dollar. She started saving $150 a month by cutting takeout and doing groceries smarter and selling a few things online. In 18 months, she had full $3,000 buffer. Now she pays her rents, utilities, school fees for the kid, everything using last month's money. She says it's the first time in years she's not scared to check her bank balance. To make this easy, you can automate your savings as well. Set up an auto transfer on payday, even $75 to $100 per week. Let it move automatically into your buffer account. You won't miss it after a while, and you will build your buffer without stress. Look, you don't have to be rich to be financially calm. You just need a system. The 30-day buffer is one of the best systems out there. It's simple, powerful, and it works, even if you are not a money person. So here's your action step. This week, open a new savings account. Name it 30-day buffer. Move whatever you can, even $20 into it, and start building peace. If this video helped you, tap that like button, comment, starting my buffer today, and subscribe for more calm, real-world finance tips every day. See you in the next one.